funny along this train line, some bridges are like normal bridges, and then some bridges are like this. 5 gigantic corrugated iron pipes. Because in the summer when it's really hot, they're nearly all empty. The water sort of finds its way through one of them and the other ones are dry. Yeah, I'll go down further, just down there, there's another bridge. It is more like a normal bridge. Not too sure why they would have done it this way. Just coming up to the next bridge. It's not too far away from the one I just looked at. And here it is. It's going to be a bit hard. The grass is all grown, but I'll go in and check it out. So there it is, sort of a normal bridge. The one just upstream is all made out of those 5 gigantic pipes. Strange. Anyway,